Hello everyone, we are now in part 9 of our geometric problem solving. Number 68, find the measure of angle for x. So the given figures, we have here for x and x. Before we can find it for x, we have to solve first the value for x. And the given angle is, this box is 90 degrees, considered as 90 degrees. Then our formula for our computation is angle x equals angle 4x equals 90 degrees because the entire angle is equals to 90 degrees. Then we're going to add x plus 4x equals 5x. Then copy 90 degrees. Then 5x over 5 and 90 over 5, we're going to divide it by 5 in order to eliminate the numerical coefficient of x, and we can cancel this one. So the result is x, and 90 divided by 5 equals 18 degrees. After knowing the value of x, we have to solve now for the value of 4x. So angle 4x equals 4, and the value of x is 18. So 4 times 18 equals 72 degrees. So our answer for measure of angle 4x is 72 degrees. Next is page 6. Number 69, find the measure of complementary angles. So 90 degrees given because complementary. So the same formula that we're going to use, x plus this 2x plus 27, the angle here, equals 90 degrees. Then we have to add the x plus 2x equals 3x, and copy 27. And just bring down the 90 degrees. Then transpose 27 to the right side of the equation, it becomes negative. Don't forget, once we transpose the number to the right side of the equation, we're going to change the sign. That's why it becomes negative 27. Then 3x just only copy. Then 90 minus 27, we have 63. And 3x divided by 3 in order to have x. Then 63 divided by 3 also, we have 21 degrees for the value of x. Upon knowing the value of x, we're going to solve now the second angle. We have 2x plus 27, and the value of x is 21. Substitute, becomes 2 times 21 equals 42, plus 27 equals 69 degrees. So the value of x is 21 degrees, and the value of this angle is 69 degrees. Next, number 70. We have to solve now our word problem. The perimeter of a rectangle is 54. The length is 3 more than its width. Find the dimension of the rectangle. So in this kind of problem, we're going to have an assumption first. We're going to determine what is the value of x variable. So let x be the length of a rectangle and y be the width of a rectangle. The width is yung lapad, yung length, yung haba ng rectangle. And since the perimeter is given, 54, so our formula is 2L plus 2W equals P. This is the original formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle. And our equation 1, remember the length is x, so that's why we're going to change the L into x. That's why we have here 2x plus, and our W is 2y for the width, and that's why we have here 2y equals 54. This is our first equation. This came from this line here. The perimeter of a rectangle is 54. The first line here, underline, is the first equation. And next we're going to make the second equation. From this double line here, the length is 3 more than its width. So, meaning the length is x, so our length now is x. S equals 3 means positive 3 more than its width. So our width is y, so we're going to write here the y plus 3. So again, the length is x is 3 more than the width. The width is y, so that's why y here. So upon knowing the first and second equation, we're going to solve for y using the equation 1. We have 2, copy 2 here, and the value of x is y plus 3, so you're going to change here for the x, plus 2y equals 54. Then simplify, we are going to multiply 2 times y equals 2y, then 2 times positive 3 equals positive 6, then copy 2y equals 54. Then combine like terms, 2y plus 2y equals 4y, and copy 54 here, and we are going to transpose the positive 6 going to the right. It becomes negative 6. Then 54 minus 6 equals 48. Then just bring down the 4y. Then 4y equals 48 divided by 4 both sides, because our purpose is to eliminate the numerical coefficient of y. So y now is 48 divided by 4 equals 12. So 12 units for the value of y. Upon knowing the value of y, next we're going to solve for the value of x using the equation 2. Our equation 2 is x equals y plus 3. Then the value of y is 12. We're going to substitute. Plus 3 equals 15. So our x is 15 units. So our x is the width is 15, and our y is the length is 12. So therefore, our final answer, the dimension of a rectangle, yung sukat ng ating length at width, that is the dimension, is 15 and 12 units. Next, 71. Find the sum of measures of interior angles of a triangle and the number of triangles. So, and there's this problem asking for the interior angles of a triangle and the number of triangles in a triangle. Okay, our formula S stands for the sum equals n minus 2 times 180. N is for the side of a polygon. Now, in triangles, the side is 3 minus 2 times 180. So 3 minus 2 equals 1 times 180. So the sum of triangle is, in the interior angle of a triangle, the sum is 180 degrees. Formula to find the number of triangles in a polygon or in a triangle. N minus 2 equals n is the number side of a triangle, so 3 minus 2. So 1 triangle and a triangle. Next, 72. Find the sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral and the number of triangles. Our solution formula, we will use S stands for the sum equals n minus 2 times 180. N stands for the side of a polygon, which is quadrilateral, meaning 4 sides. Then minus 2 times 180. 4 minus 2 equals 2 times 180 equals 360 degrees. So the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And how many triangles in a quadrilateral? So formula, n minus 2, n is the side of a quadrilateral, 4 minus 2. We have 2 triangles and a quadrilateral. Next, 73. Find the sum of interior angles of a pentagon and the number of triangles. So we have also used the formula S equals n minus 2 times 180. In pentagon, we have 5 sides, so 5 minus 2 times 180 equals 540 degrees. 3 times 180 equals 540 degrees. So the sum of angles inside or interior of the angles of a pentagon, interior of the pentagon equals 540 degrees. And to determine how many triangles in a pentagon, we have the formula n minus 2. N stands for the side of a pentagon. We have 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 triangles. We have n a pentagon. Next, 74. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon when the sum of angles is 1 to 60 degrees. When it's a regular polygon, the sides of the polygon are equal. Then the formula, sum equals n minus 2 times 180. And the sum is given 1260 degrees. And we have to simplify this. Multiply 180 to n equals 180n. Then 180 times 2, we have minus 360 degrees. Then transpose 360 degrees to the left side of the equation. We have now 1260 plus 360 equals 180n. And combine 1260 plus 360 equals 1620 degrees equals 180n. And 1620 degrees divide 180 degrees both sides, because our purpose is to eliminate the numerical coefficient in n. Remember, n is the number of sides that we are looking for. So 1620 divided by 180 equals 9. So 9 sides, our answer for this 1260 degrees given sum of a certain polygon.